Good morning and good afternoon, scholars. Today's lesson for science is week 8, day 5. Today's not really a lesson, it's the brain check and getting to share what you know kind of day. Yesterday you showed me what you knew. You wrote sentences about different types of plants and what you've learned about them, and you drew pictures. Today is kind of like an exit ticket that we used to do. Today you're just going to show me what you've learned about trees, shrubs, grasses, about plants, the jobs that the parts have, and you're going to snap a picture of it and send it to me on Class Dojo, and I cannot wait to see your work. So let's get started. We are on page 162 of the Learning in Place packet, 162, and the first part says, number 1, circle it. It says circle the plant that has cones. So one of these plants has cones and you're going to circle it. Oh, and you know what, boys and girls, before I would do this, if it was me, before I would do these pages, I would reread. And remember, good readers always reread. We would talk about that all the time in class. So before I do these questions, I would reread about the flowers, the cones, trees, shrubs, and grasses. Because like I said, like we always say, good readers always reread. And that would help you and kind of refresh your brain so that you know all the answers. So I had to make sure I said that. Number 2 says choose it. Circle each group of words that tells about an animal. So you're going to read these sentences and you're going to circle which ones tell about an animal. So think about what we learned about plants. And think about what you know about animals. Animals is going to be our next unit, which I'm super excited about. And then down here, it says solve it. Solve the riddle. Some living things fly. Some walk, run, or swim. I do not move on my own. I stay in one place. What am I? Some living things fly. So it's a living thing. Some walk, run, or swim. I do not move on my own. I stay in one place. What would that be? You're going to write your answer in the blank. Then we're going to move to page 163. 163 down at the bottom in your packet. At the top it says brain check. So you're going to write down the answers to these 4 questions. The directions say, color the letters to spell the vocabulary words. Write the words to complete the sentences. So you've got a word bank here. Your choices are flower, shrub, tree, and cone. And you have words in here. It's like a word search that you can find. So it says, color the letters to spell the vocabulary words. You're going to find the words up here, color them in, and then write the words to complete the sentences. So you'll color the words, and then you're going to answer the questions down here. Number 1 says, a tall plant with a woody stem is a blank. So which one of these would fit? Number 2 says, a tree without a flower may have a blank. So if a tree doesn't have a flower, it might have a blank. Which one of those 4 would fit? Number 3, a blank makes seeds. So one of those is the answer. A blank makes seeds. And number 4, a plant that is smaller than a tree is a blank. Now whichever's left should make sense. Awesome, so that's it for today, boys and girls. You're going to fill out this page and this page, and when you're finished, you're going to have somebody, you can take the picture, or an adult can take a picture for you, and you will upload it to Class Dojo, and you will show me what you've learned. I can't wait to see it, and I will see you all next week. Bye.